Guys, Mr. Allen C here. We're taking a look at National Geographic Earth Science Kit, and we want to build this volcano. So we're going to go ahead and put these inside here. And good here. Oh, you do wrap the rubber band around the top. Let me do. Rubber band really brings things together. You can see it goes around in these slots, and this fits together. So we got our mold ready. I'm just going to pour this in, and then we're going to add a cup of water and mix it with the included popsicle stick. Okay, I'm adding a cup of water. Now I'm taking that popsicle stick and I am stirring the plaster of Paris. I want to get it good so that it's all a nice smooth mixture. Okay, now that I got a nice consistency, I'll pour it into here. Alright, and then we let this dry for 45 minutes and then we'll remove the mold, guys. Guys, this is getting exciting. Our plaster of Paris has dried. And we're going to take this off our volcano and see what it looks like for the first time. Oh my gosh, it looks awesome. Look at this. You can see like a lava vent flowing down, lava flowing down the side of the volcano. This is looking really nice. And they said you can smooth these lines with the included tools they give you. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump right in and start painting this. And look how clean that mold is. I mean, you can always reuse that in the future. Check this out. We got a little spot where that lava creation is going to go before we finish this video. We will be shooting lava out of this. It looks like they gave us 3 colors to work with here for paint. All right, and let's hit it with some reds. Big globs of it. Okay. Alright, I had a lot of fun painting our volcano here, guys. I also hit the inside of it a little bit. And man, I think this side really looks great. Guys, we got our 2 volcano packs here. What we're going to do, we're going to mix these. One's citric acid, the other sodium bicarbonate. And we're going to mix these, put a tablespoon of it into our volcano, which there's way more than a tablespoon here. And then you pour 1 cup of water in there and stand back. Just wanted to show you the volcano is loaded. I put more than a tablespoon in there. When I said I was freezing out here, I wasn't lying. The water. Wow, look at it go, guys. That is some real volcano effects. Look how awesome that is. That is cool. Look at it going on the snow. It's continuing to come out. So there you have it, guys, the volcano. And then we have some left over. I'm in the sink. I want to see the reaction in a controlled environment. That's a lot of powder. We're going to add just a little water and take a look at what it's doing here. It really does look like lava, don't it? And it is overflowing, dripping down the sides. Looking incredible. And when our volcano dries after that eruption, it's going to look pretty sweet too. Alright, I think we're done here. Thanks for checking it out, guys. I hope you had fun. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.